Number 1. Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a true masterpiece of British craftsmanship. One glance at the exterior, and you immediately know you're in the presence of something special. The signature Pantheon grille takes center stage, flanked by sleek, adaptive LED headlights that seem to pierce the night with precision. The Spirit of Ecstasy stands proudly at the front, a small but unmistakable sign that you're looking at a symbol of heritage and excellence. The bodywork is sculpted with long, flowing lines, painted in deep, multi-layered finishes that are hand-polished to a mirror shine. Even the panel gaps are engineered to near-invisible tolerances, giving the impression that the vehicle was carved from a single block of metal. Chrome accents subtly frame the windows and side skirts, while massive, alloy wheels carry the unmistakable Rolls-Royce emblem at the center. Despite its imposing size, the proportions are so carefully balanced that it appears elegant and poised rather than bulky. Step inside, and the transformation from luxury vehicle to rolling palace becomes complete. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern technology in a way that feels seamless. Every surface is either wrapped in butter-soft leather, polished hardwood, or brushed metal. The leather comes from only the finest hides, hand-selected to be free of blemishes and stitched with painstaking precision. The wood veneers are matched, in grain and color, forming a continuous flow across the cabin. Above your head, the famous Starlight headliner extends through the lounge and driver's cockpit, casting a soft constellation of fiber optic lights that create a calming ambiance. The seating isn't just comfortable, it's an experience in itself, with full adjustability, heating, cooling, and multi-program massage functions. The living area feels like an exclusive suite at a luxury hotel, complete with a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, plush sofas, and a bathroom finished in real marble with gold-plated fixtures. The cabin is so well insulated that outside noise is almost completely eliminated, turning the inside into a sanctuary of silence. Performance is where Rolls-Royce proves that comfort doesn't come at the expense of capability. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, tuned for effortless power delivery. It's not about speed here. It's about smooth, silent, and confident progress. The motorhome glides forward with almost no vibration, and the advanced air suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, keeping the ride serene no matter what's underneath. No. 2. The Bugatti Motorhome. While Rolls-Royce focuses on timeless elegance, Bugatti injects the DNA of a hypercar into the motorhome concept. The result is a machine that looks like it belongs in the future. The exterior draws heavily from Bugatti's performance heritage. At the front, the iconic horseshoe grille sits low and wide, framed by razor-sharp LED headlights. The body is sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency, with swooping curves and aggressive vents that don't just look fast, they serve real functional purposes in directing airflow and cooling the massive engine. Lightweight carbon fiber panels are used extensively, keeping weight as low as possible for a vehicle of this size. Two-tone paint schemes, including the signature French racing blue paired with exposed carbon, make it stand out like no other motorhome in the world. Even the wheels are performance-inspired, with intricate designs borrowed from Bugatti's supercars. Stepping inside feels like boarding a luxury performance yacht. The cockpit is undeniably Bugatti, a driver-focused digital dashboard, a flat-bottom steering wheel trimmed in Alcantara, and seats that feel like they belong in a Chiron, but with more generous cushioning for long-haul comfort. The living quarters are a perfect marriage of modern minimalism and opulence. Sleek carbon fiber cabinetry contrasts with buttery leather seating areas, while ambient LED strips highlight the clean lines of the interior. There's a compact but fully functional kitchen with high-end appliances, and the sleeping area features a bed designed to hold you firmly in place even during spirited driving. A glass partition can separate the driving area from the living quarters at the touch of a button, adding privacy and quiet when needed. Performance is where the Bugatti Motorhome truly sets itself apart. Instead of a conventional motorhome engine, Bugatti has adapted its legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 power plant for the road cruiser. It's been tuned for smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency compared to the Chiron, but make no mistake, this motorhome has more horsepower than some race cars. Acceleration is shockingly quick for a vehicle of its size, and the top speed, while electronically limited for safety, is still far beyond anything in the luxury RV world. The suspension is a technological marvel, with active damping and adaptive ride height that keep the motorhome flat and composed even during high-speed maneuvers. Despite its performance capabilities, it remains surprisingly refined in normal driving, with soundproofing that mutes the roar of the W16 to a distant hum. Number 3, the Ferrari Motorhome, is a creation that merges the fire of Italian racing with the practicality of long-haul luxury. From the very first glance, it's unmistakably a Ferrari. The nose sits low and purposeful, crowned with the legendary prancing horse emblem, while the side profile is a masterclass in aerodynamics, with sculpted vents and curves that channel airflow as if it were designed for the track. The bodywork uses an advanced blend of carbon fiber and aluminum to keep weight down, while still offering the rigidity needed for stability. Painted in the unmistakable Rosso Corsa, or perhaps a special order shade like Giallo Modena, the finish glows with depth under the sunlight. At the rear, Ferrari's design language continues with quad tail lights, a diffuser that wouldn't look out of place on a supercar, and exhaust tips that promise a soundtrack worth hearing. Stepping inside, you're greeted by an interior that blends performance cues with refined comfort. The driver's cockpit is pure Ferrari, a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls, large paddle shifters behind it, and a high-definition racing display right in your line of sight. The seating here is snug and supportive, upholstered in a mix of Alcantara and fine leather stitched in contrast colors that match the exterior. Moving toward the living area, the energy softens into a more relaxed but still sporty environment. Curved furniture lines, red accented cabinetry, and subtle carbon fiber trim keep the motorsport connection alive while providing a functional and inviting space. The kitchen features high-efficiency induction cooktops and precision refrigeration, while the entertainment system delivers crystal-clear audio, perfect for relaxing after a day on the road. Under the rear, a naturally aspirated V12 roars to life, delivering smooth cruising torque, and when provoked, the spine-tingling high notes Ferrari fans adore. Handling is shockingly responsive for something this size, with adaptive dampers, and rear-wheel steering helping it flow through corners with grace. Pricing begins in the high millions, with nearly limitless customization possibilities for those who demand their passion for Ferrari to follow them wherever they travel. Number 4, the Volvo Motorhome, takes a completely different path, one grounded in Scandinavian restraint, safety, and ergonomic brilliance. At first sight, it's serene rather than flashy, with clean body lines that feel calm and deliberate. The trademark Volvo grille sits proudly up front, framed by Thor's hammer LED headlights that give it a modern, confident face. The paint palette leans towards subtle sophistication. Muted silvers, deep midnight blues, and soft pearl whites, all chosen to complement the understated design. The side profile is sleek and wind-cheating, while panoramic side windows flood the cabin with light and provide stunning views for passengers. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes to one of airy elegance. The design follows Volvo's human-centric philosophy. Everything is placed exactly where it should be, nothing unnecessary, and every surface feels good to touch. Pale birchwood trim, wool blend upholstery, and brushed metal details give the space a warm, home-like feel. The driver's position is ergonomic perfection, with intuitive controls and Volvo's signature attention to visibility and comfort. The lounge is spacious without being overbearing, featuring cleverly hidden storage, adjustable seating, and a convertible dining area. The kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful, with energy-efficient appliances and minimalist cabinetry. Volvo's focus on safety is evident throughout. Advanced collision avoidance systems, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist are all integrated into the driving experience, making long trips both relaxing and secure. Under the hood, the motorhome typically runs on a smooth, efficient hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, offering strong torque for hills and the ability to travel significant distances without frequent stops. The ride quality is composed and stable, thanks to a carefully tuned suspension system that prioritizes comfort for all occupants. Pricing, while still high, is generally more attainable than the ultra-exotic options, often sitting in the high six-figure range, a tempting choice for those who want long-distance luxury wrapped in Swedish simplicity. Number 5. The Tesla Motorhome is a vision of the future brought to life, redefining how we think about travel on wheels. From the outside, it's unmistakably Tesla, with smooth, futuristic surfaces, flush door handles, and a panoramic windshield that curves seamlessly into the roofline. The design is minimal but striking, with aerodynamic shaping that not only looks sleek, but also improves efficiency. The lighting is all LED, with a distinctive front signature that's instantly recognizable, even in the dark. Tesla offers a variety of bold and neutral colors, all with that deep gloss finish that electric vehicle fans know well. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is space. A clean, open-plan layout made possible by the absence of a traditional combustion drivetrain. The cabin is flooded with natural light thanks to a full glass roof and large side windows. The driver's area features a central touchscreen interface that controls virtually every aspect of the vehicle, paired with a yoke-style steering wheel for a modern, almost spaceship-like feel. In the living quarters, Tesla's minimalist philosophy continues. Sleek, handle-free cabinetry, multi-use furniture, and high-tech appliances that can run directly from the motorhome's massive battery pack. The sleeping area is modular, allowing for reconfiguration based on the trip, and the entertainment system integrates seamlessly with Tesla's onboard software. The performance is what sets it apart from every other motorhome in this list. Instant torque from electric motors means it accelerates more like a luxury sedan than a home on wheels. Tesla's dual or even tri-motor configurations provide all-wheel drive and astonishing stability, while the adaptive suspension keeps the ride level and smooth. Charging infrastructure is already widespread thanks to Tesla's supercharger network, and the vehicle's large battery ensures impressive range between stops. Pricing varies based on configuration, but given the technology and eco-friendly appeal, it firmly sits in the high-end electric luxury market, often pushing into seven figures for fully loaded versions. For those who want cutting-edge tech, zero emissions, and the feeling of traveling inside a piece of tomorrow, the Tesla Motorhome delivers it all.